New country, new mornings.
More Steve and Nina now.
New Camel at 1079.
Nina D, brace yourself, please. We may be able to get Ellen DeGeneres to come to the Valley.
Focus.
Let's say hi to Ryan. Ryan is the student council president at Skyline High School.
Hi, Ryan. What's going on?
Nothing much. How about you?
Nina D is sitting here and saying,
Ellen, I heard Ellen went bonkers. I'm like, Ellen and Mesa, I'm in. What do I have to do? Do I have to pretend to be in high school? I'm in.
So if you don't know what's going on, if you go on Twitter today, you're probably going to see the hashtag Skyline Loves Ellen. So can you explain what in the world this hashtag means
happening?
and how we can make this happen?
Our homecoming theme is Hollywood, and so we wanted to put on the Oscars for our pep assembly, and so we said, who better to host it than Ellen DeGeneres?
Wow.
I'm kind of. They didn't think of us first.
Yeah, Steve and Nina might have been a good option too.
You're welcome to come.
So no. We don't want to be second best to Ellen. No, we'll totally be second best to Ellen. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
No, we hope you get her.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell us how we can all help to try to make this happen.
We know that Ellen is big on social media, and so we decided to kind of start this social media campaign to use hashtag Skyline Loves Ellen, and just try to get her attention to, add her into our tweets and our posts and things like that.
The homecoming is when?
It's October 24th is the day of the assembly.
So we've got about 3 weeks
Yeah.
to make this happen. How far have you made it with this hashtag? Like, has there been any kind of contact with Ellen?
Channel 12, which is the channel that she airs on, they called me. And they said, hey, we're going to talk to Ellen's producers directly, and they should be giving you a call back soon.
That's exciting.
You shut
Yeah,
up.
that hasn't happened yet, of course, but they said within the next couple of days.
Do you realize that Nina D will lose her damn mind
I love Ellen.
if Ellen is in a 50-mile radius of her at any time?
Wow.
So what can we do to help at this point?
Just spreading the word and getting more people to participate in using the hashtag Skyline Loves Ellen. I think that would be absolutely awesome.
One more time, it's hashtag Skyline Loves Ellen.
Yeah.
Okay, if we all, as a Camel Nation, if we all get together and everybody tweets that out, dude, that's going to be massive.
How could she not see it, right?
How could you not see it? Now, I have a question. If Ellen falls through, can we please be your backup plan, please?
You are welcome to come. We actually have a backup plan.
Who's the backup plan? Who is the backup plan?
Well, I have to have my student council out there, right?
Okay, that's okay. So
that's fair.
maybe everyone in student council is sick that day. Then can we convene the host?
Absolutely. I plan on it.
We just got voted. If every student is sick and has no option to host this thing, I'm going to take that as a compliment.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
High five, Steve.